Picking the wrong life insurance policy can leave your grieving family buried in debt instead of financially secure. Millions of Americans unknowingly buy coverage loaded with hidden traps, devastating exclusions, and skyrocketing premiums. I am going to reveal the top 10 best life insurance providers in the country. This countdown will expose the critical fine print and help you secure your family's future. Many parents scramble for quick financial protection after buying their first home. Consider a couple who thought they were covered, only to realize a rigid 2-year contestability clause could deny benefits for minor application errors. Transamerica provides reliable term life coverage, but you must read that fine print. They hold a solid A rating from AM Best with a dependable claim settlement history. You can expect to pay around $280 annually with a $0 deductible. Their child protection rider adds incredible value and claims process efficiently through a digital portal. This provider serves middle-class families with massive mortgages best. Seniors frequently search for final expense policies to spare loved ones from funeral debts. One grieving son discovered his mother's policy paid a mere fraction of the expected amount. Mutual of Omaha offers robust whole-life burial coverage, yet their guaranteed issue plans feature a strict 2-year graded death benefit trap. Passing away during this waiting period means beneficiaries merely receive premium refunds. This carrier maintains a stellar A+ financial rating from AM Best and resolves claims swiftly online. Annual premiums average $850 alongside $0 deductibles. With an excellent accidental death rider, this option best fits retirees facing severe health conditions. Wealthy entrepreneurs often utilize permanent insurance to build tax-free cash value. We observed a business owner who aggressively funded an indexed universal life policy, ignoring the complex cap rate restrictions. Lincoln Financial delivers outstanding permanent coverage tied to market indexes. However, the hidden trap involves participation rates that restrict your maximum market gains during economic booms. They carry an impressive A rating from AM Best alongside a 98% settlement ratio. Expect average annual premiums near $1,500. They feature $0 traditional deductibles, but steep administrative fees act exactly like upfront costs. Offering a terminal illness rider and electronic claims, they cater to high-net-worth investors. Consumers love bundling their financial products for sheer convenience. I once met a father who bundled his policies, blindly assuming his term coverage would remain affordable forever. State Farm provides highly dependable term and whole life plans. The critical trap lies in their shocking annual renewal rates once your initial level term period expires. The company boasts an elite A++ financial rating from AM Best and resolves payouts reliably through dedicated local agents rather than just an app. Annual premiums hover around $420 with standard $0 deductibles. Their valuable waiver of premium rider makes them an ideal choice for healthy adults seeking lucrative multi-policy discounts. Surviving a severe medical crisis can easily bankrupt a family lacking proper preparations. A retired mechanic suffered a massive stroke and quickly depleted his savings because his basic policy offered no living benefits. Pacific Life specializes in universal life coverage designed to combat this exact scenario. Their hidden trap involves massive surrender charges acting like heavy penalties if you cancel early. Earning a strong A+ rating from AM Best, they maintain a 97% claim settlement record through an efficient online portal. Premiums typically run $750 annually with $0 deductibles. With a robust chronic illness rider, this provider strongly appeals to pre-retirees desiring flexible coverage. Getting approved for coverage feels impossible when dealing with ongoing health conditions. We recently analyzed a diabetic applicant who faced constant rejections until exploring specialized underwriting programs. Prudential excels at offering term and universal coverage to individuals with complex medical histories. However, the hidden trap is that healthy applicants will face noticeably higher premiums compared to other market competitors. They boast a highly trusted A+ rating from AM Best and manage digital claims efficiently. The typical annual premium sits around $550 with $0 deductibles. Highlighting a valuable return of premium rider, they remain the absolute best choice for recovering patients and tobacco users. Losing your income due to a sudden injury can force you to abandon your insurance payments entirely. Imagine a surgeon fracturing his hand and losing his lifelong coverage because he could no longer afford the hefty monthly bills. Guardian Life provides elite whole life protection specifically engineered to build immense cash value over time. The main trap involves dividend projections, which are strictly estimates and can sharply drop during economic downturns. This mutual company holds a top-tier A++ AM Best rating and executes rapid mobile payouts. Premiums average $1,800 yearly with $0 deductibles. Featuring an unmatched disability income rider, they specifically target specialized medical professionals. Surviving extreme financial crashes requires partnering with institutions that possess legendary historical stability. During past recessions, many smaller insurers simply collapsed, leaving policyholders completely stranded. New York Life delivers exceptional permanent coverage backed by massive capital reserves. However, the glaring hidden trap is their severe lack of modern online management, aggressively forcing you to handle adjustments through commissioned agents. They proudly maintain an A++ AM Best rating while resolving claims through dedicated representative networks. You should budget around $1,100 annually with $0 deductibles. Supported by a spouse's paid-up insurance rider, this carrier heavily favors conservative wealth builders, prioritizing long-term legacy planning. Outliving your retirement savings remains a terrifying reality for aging adults worldwide. A retired couple recently drained their entire nest egg on unexpected nursing home expenses. MassMutual offers outstanding participating whole life policies that double as retirement assets. Their insidious hidden trap is the direct recognition loan system, meaning any cash you borrow directly reduces your future dividend payouts. Holding a prestigious A++ rating from AM Best, this institution handles web-based claims with a 99% settlement success rate. Yearly premiums hover near $1,600 with $0 deductibles. Featuring a powerful long-term care rider, they cater heavily to high-net-worth families seeking robust asset protection strategies. Millions of young workers unknowingly purchase expensive policies they simply do not need. I once reviewed a struggling graduate's portfolio, discovering an aggressive advisor sold him a pricey permanent plan instead of basic coverage. Northwestern Mutual delivers the highest quality whole life protection available today. The major hidden trap involves their commission-driven agents routinely pushing permanent coverage onto clients who only require affordable term life. They proudly carry an A++ rating from AM Best and process digital claims efficiently. Expect average annual premiums around $1,500 with $0 deductibles. Armed with a built-in accelerated death benefit rider, this provider strongly benefits lifelong dividend investors.